Hello, this is Cynthia of Cynthia Plans, and this week I am going to be planning the week of December 2nd through December 8th. This is going to be the first full week of December with a kit, and I'll be planning with a kit from Adorably Amy Designs this week. I'm really excited to use this one, and I'll tell you a little bit about it in a second, but with that, let's go ahead and get started. So this kit is from Adorably Amy Designs, and I am actually on this season's PR team for Amy. I know I've mentioned before, which has been a great opportunity, and it's definitely, I've shopped with Amy before, but being on her PR team, obviously I'm spending more time talking to her and getting to know her and her products a little bit more, and it's been really a fun experience, so I'm really grateful to be on her team. And we actually just had our samplers updated, so if you decide to purchase from her after this video, use my code Cynthia15 and you'll get my exclusive sampler as well as 15% off your order. Sorry, I don't know why I just blanked right now. But let me show you a little bit about the kit. This is the date cover and numbers add-on that you can get here. This is all of the headers, meal plan stickers, different labels. We've got some checklists here, and they're kind of like little gifts or presents. And then we've got the functional stickers, all of the half boxes, event size stickers, labels, all that kind of stuff. Washi strips here, so there are more presents, a little pineapple, some Christmas lights and all of that here. And then some continuing on even more functional stickers. We've got this little like notebook checklist thing here, the standalone checklist, habit trackers, the weekly sticker, a bunch of hand lettered and icon kind of stickers, and then last but not least we've got the full boxes. So part of why I chose this kit is because it's very Florida. It's got the flamingos and the beach look, and this, you know, the snowman, so to speak, is actually sand, and so it's very appropriate for fall, winter here in Florida, and I think it's going to be a really good choice for this week. So with that, let's go ahead and get all of this stuff on here. Alright, this is already looking really good, so I'm excited about this week. It's festive and definitely, like I said, seasonal for this time of year. So what I'm looking for here is I need some kind of label, because we have, I like that sticker a lot, but I don't think I'm going to do that because it might be too much of that pattern next to each other. We have a parent-teacher conference with my son's teacher on Monday. And so as a result, I'll be dropping off my son at school that morning. And I know I mentioned before, I don't get to do that sort of stuff all that often. So whenever I do have the opportunity, I like to go ahead and mark that. Tuesday evening, I'm going to a networking, professional development type event with Whitney, so I'm really excited about that. This morning I'm gonna have to go into work a little bit late that morning because I have to drop my son off at work or at school again. My husband will be taking some final exams, so I'm gonna grab that once more with love sticker sheet again. In the evening, I may have plans, possibly. I'm gonna put something there just in case, and if not, I can find something else creative to stick there. I work 12 to 9 on Friday. We have an after hours event at work, so I'm working a little bit of a different schedule than normal. And then Saturday, I have a holiday party at work, so I have a hair appointment at 5, and it includes makeup as well, and then I'll be right on off to the party right after that appointment. Got these convenient hair wash stickers. These I held off on buying for a long time from Once More Love because I was like, what am I going to use them for? But they actually are a lot more useful to me than I even thought they might be. I was looking to see in my sticker stash if I had anything like a party type thing, but I don't seem to have anything like that, so I'm just gonna go with one of the icons she has on here to kind of balance this little box out. Okie dokie. I do need to put some things in here, like my workouts, my habit tracker, and that sort of stuff. Okay, so I've got my productivity habit tracker off to the side set up. I've got my workout calendar set up, and now the other thing I need to do is put down some meal plan stickers. I don't actually have my meal plan figured out for the week yet, but I can at least put these in here. And so for the nights that I'm not at home, I'm not going to be worrying about dinner. My husband can figure it out himself because he's a grown-up. One thing I will need to do is figure out a sticker for his work schedule. Basically, I just need to like pick a sticker and go with it. Based on what his schedule's been like, I'm gonna assume putting it around the 4 o'clock hour is gonna be fairly safe. And if it's not, then that's okay. It'll just be the place where we're doing that this week. I know I'm gonna have a bunch of Happy Meal that comes in this week, but I'm not gonna worry about that quite yet. I'm doing that thing where I do the double checklist again because that has just been working out well for me personally. I just remembered I'm gonna have to go to one of our branches, start my day at one of our branches, I think Tuesday. So I'm going to put that here. I will have to begin there. Trying to be fast in this plan with me because the light is not on my side right now. It's feeding fast. Did pull SG washi, and I think I might use some in here, even though I feel like I've got a good thing going. I think I could just add something. Kind of like this red, so I'm gonna give it a try up here. It feels festive for the holidays too. I might, let's see if I do the yellow, if it'll be too much. Kind of like it, so I think I'm gonna leave it. That'll be it for this plan with me. This is all that I have to plan right now. But overall, I'm really happy with this. I like the way that it looks. It's festive and also super Florida at the same time. So yeah, I'm really happy with this kit. Again, this is from Adorably Amy Designs, and I do have a PR code. You can get 15% off your next order, I think of $10 or more, in her shop if you use my code Cynthia15. And in addition to the 15% off, you'll also get my exclusive sampler that comes with my order, or your order using my code. And they just got revamped for the holidays and everything, so I think you'll really enjoy it and you'll be happy once you get it. So if you have any questions, I am going to link everything in the description, but feel free to leave them in the comments for me. And with that, I hope you have an awesome week, and I'll see you back next time for yet another play with me. Bye!